Hey guys, welcome back to my channel C4D Wala, and in today's video we are going to create one beginner friendly abstract animation inside of Cinema 4D without using any third party plugin but with the help of simple and cool technique inside of Cinema 4D. And if you want to learn more about motion graphics and other stuff, then don't forget to check out my Udemy courses. Links are available in the description. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get more updates. So without wasting any much more time, let's get started. So here we are in Cinema 4D. So let's create one cube over here, and I'm going to press ND on my keyboard so I can see my edges and vertices. Then I'm going to press Shift C, which is a shortcut key for search option, and search for atom array and simply double click to apply. Then select this cube and move inside this atom array. Then select this atom array and subdivisions. I'm going to choose 12 like that. So we will get some more smoother geometry. Then I'm going to select this cube, and by holding Control I'm going to bring one cube over here and let's call it as main. Okay, like that. Now we need to create animation for this main. So let's create one keyframe on size Y, X and Z, and let's make this value 0, 0 and 0 and create keyframes over there. Then go to around 60. Let's make this value 200, 200, 200 and create keyframe each. So if you see, we are gonna get something like that. Okay, over here. Then let's make this 180 degree like that. Now I'm going to select this main, and by holding Control I'm going to create duplicate of it like that. And now if you see, we need animations for each and every axis, like for this as well as this. So this 4 and this top and this bottom. Okay, 4, 5th and 6th. So we need 6 copies of it. So by holding Control I'm going to create 6 copies like that. Okay, so I'm going to select this, go to the coordinates over here, and let's do one thing. Let's delete all of this. First we will create keyframe. So let's select this and we will create keyframe on X, Y and Z, all of them like that. And then let's go somewhere around 120 frame, and we will create again keyframes on each and every one. Okay, and then by holding Control I'm going to create duplicates of it. Okay, like that. Now let's go to the top view. I'm going to select this one and let's move this somewhere around 1000 and create another keyframe. So for this 1000, let's select this second one. Let's make this -1000. Create another keyframe. Then I'm going to select this one. We need to move it over here. So let's make this 1000. Create one keyframe. For this one, let's make this -1000. So it will go over here. Then we will go to the front view. Now we have this 2. We will create one keyframe on Y, 1000. And for this one, we will create another keyframe on this one, 1000. Okay, it should be in negative value like that. So it will go at the bottom. Now let's add camera, enable camera, object, choose parallel view like that. Okay, let's select this portion. Okay, zoom in a little bit like that. Okay, and let's make this value to 120 only. Now what we need to do is that first we will get this animation and then we will get this animation. Okay, this is okay, but what we need to do over here at this point, this main one which is gonna be at the center, it should get gone. So for that we need to animate its visibility. So what we can do, I'm gonna go somewhere around 70 frames. I'm going to select this main one. I'll go to the basics, and over here you will get this option called visible editor. Right now it's default. Let's make this on for both of them and create one keyframe at visible in renderer and visible in editor. We'll go simply one frame forward. We will make this off as well as this off and create another keyframe. So now it is gone, and at 120 frame this animation will start again like that. So okay, now all we need to do is that we need to add one null object. We will select our camera, we'll make this parent with this null. Select this null, go to the coordinates, and I can rotate it on x-axis. So let's create one keyframe. Go to the last, you can make this 180. Create another keyframe. Right click, animation, show F curve. If it's not showing, select this, right click, animation, and show F curve again. Hit Ctrl A and choose linear value. Okay, so now if you see, we will get this animation first, then this animation, then we will get this animation again like this over here, like that. So now along with this I need one lights. So for that, let's try to bring one area light, and let's increase the size of this light from here, in also from here, like that. And let's move this over here, press R, rotate it like this, then rotate it like this. By holding control, move this line over here, RW, rotate it like this. Select this and choose area light. Also select this and choose area light. Okay, and now select these two lights and make it apparent with this null over here. Okay, and these two lights, select both of them, press R, and let's rotate it like this. Press E and let's move this somewhere around over here. Okay, so now if you see, they're gonna move along with this our camera. Okay, now let's go a few frames forward and hit Ctrl R. Let's see whether we are getting our lights proper or not. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are getting this very difficult light because we haven't changed it from the front view. So let's bring this a little bit upward and now hit Ctrl R. Okay, we are getting something like this. Okay, over here like this. Let's select these two lights and by holding Ctrl, create duplicate, press R, and let's shift hold and let's rotate it like this. Press E and try to adjust it somewhere around over here. Hit Ctrl R again. Okay, so we are gonna get this kind of structure like this. Let's zoom out our camera a little bit. Okay, so this is how you can create this kind of simple looping animation inside of Cinema 4D. And if you want, then you can change the color of this portion according to your needs. Like you can apply different colors to it. Okay, I'm going to apply first this white color to all of them. Okay, so we will get proper structure. If you want, then you can go with the black color as well. You will get different results like this. Okay, over here. Okay, so it's up to you. I'm going to stick with this white color, but this is the basic concept that you can use to create this kind of looping animation.